Hello everyone, in this video I am going to install Mikrotik Router OS on Hyper-V, and after that I will be configure Router OS to provide internet access for clients by configure DHCP Server, create a NAT rule, set up PPTP VPN server. Okay, let's start. At the first I have to download Router OS ISO file. By using ISO file you can install Router OS firmware on your desktop or on your visualization platform. Search download Mikrotik ISO on Google. Open Mikrotik official website. At this list from x86 section, click on CD image download link. I have already downloaded this file. Now open Hyper-V Manager, Action, New, Virtual Machine. Next, write the name. Next. I will describe network topology during this video, but for now I select network 10. Next. 5 gigabit is enough for this. Next. Select downloaded file image as a CD-ROM. Next. Finish. This is my topology in this implementation. As you can see, I have a network 10, 11 and Wi-Fi visual switch. Network 10 is just for management purpose and I will manage this router by using this network. Network 11 is my client network. I will set up DHCP server on this interface and provide internet access for my clients. Wi-Fi visual switch is a network that have internet access and provide the internet connectivity to my Mikrotik router. I will get IP addresses for this network from upstream DHCP server. Add a network adapter, network 11 for client access, add another network adapter, Wi-Fi visual switch for internet access, OK. Now start my virtual machine. At this moment, press I to start installing Router OS firmware on my virtual machine disk. Yes. Unmount CD-ROM before reboot machine. Press enter to reboot. Okay, Router OS is ready. Default username is admin with blank password. No. Set the password. Repeat again. Finished. Slash interface command to go interface configuration. Print command to see the interfaces. As you can see, Ether 1 is connected to network 10, Ether 2 connected to network 11, and Ether 3 connected to Wi-Fi network. Slash IP to go IP configuration. Slash address to go IP address configuration. By pressing tab, you can see available commands. Add address, (10.1.1.1/8) interface Ether 1 to set this IP address for Ether 1 interface for management purpose. Print. As you can see, IP address is set correctly. Add network 10 to this Windows machine to manage Mikrotik from this machine. Turn on. Set the IP address on this machine, 10.1.1.2. Gateway is Mikrotik. This Windows PC is just used for manage Mikrotik. Gateway and DNS is not important, but I set. Open WinBox. Connect to my router. As you know, IP address is 10.1.1.1. Write password. Okay, these are interfaces. This is my management interface IP address that I set from command line earlier. Write the description to interface name. Management. Local. Let me check which interface was in local network. That's second network adapter, so Ether 2 is a local. Internet. Now set the interface IP address. 11.1.1.1/8 is a local interface IP address. Internet interface will get the IP address from upstream DHCP server. IP, DHCP client, add, select Ether 3, also get the DNS and default gateway from DHCP server. OK. As you can see, IP address assigned by DHCP in some second. In IP addresses also you can see IP address, and D means dynamic. Now place this Windows PC in local network by adding network adapter and connect to network 11. Turn on. Open network configuration. Okay, that's set to dynamic. At this step, I will enable DHCP server on Ether 2 to assign IP address to local clients. IP DHCP server, DHCP setup. Select the interface that DHCP server will run on it. Local. Next. DHCP address is a network of this interface IP address. Gateway is the router interface IP. Address to give out is our IP address range that clients can get from this DHCP server. Next, write DNS server IP. At this time, router itself is a DNS server and forward requests to upstream DNS server that gets by upstream DHCP server from internet interface. List time 30 minutes. Next. OK. DHCP server activate on local interface. These are advanced configuration that you can use in your environment. List shows your client IP address that gets their IP by using this DHCP server. Come back to client Windows machine. Not get an IP yet. Disable. Enable. OK, get the IP address from the DHCP server that's running on Mikrotik router. Let me check internet connectivity. This is Mikrotik interface IP address, and after that packet dropped. To connect our client to internet, we have to enable NAT and translate source address to the outgoing interface. To do this, I have to enable NAT for a package with source network of 11.0.0.0/8. To do this, going to IP firewall NAT chain source NAT source address is our client network ID. From action, select masquerade. This will change source IP to outgoing interface IP. OK, now come back to client. As you can see, client PC have access to the internet this time. Also, network icon changed. You can see the statistic from here. Okay, I set up Mikrotik Router OS on my Hyper-V and doing first configuration and provide access to internet for my client PC. I will also configure PPTP server on Mikrotik. My plan is just allow access for clients that has a VPN connection to this router and don't allow LAN clients to have an internet access directly. By using this method, I can be able to allow internet access by providing username and password for clients, and without username and password, just have a local access to this network. At the first, I remove NAT rule to disable internet access for my clients. Next, set up PPTP server. PPTP server, enable default encryption as a default profile. OK. Secrets. Create a VPN account. Name is username. Select default encryption as a profile. You can also specify this setting for this user. Create an IP pool for VPN connection. When your clients connect to this router by using VPN, they get IP address from this pool. Clients will get IP address from this range 12.0.01 till 12.0.0.10. Now configure default encryption profile. When clients connected to PPTP server on this Mikrotik, these settings will be applied to their connection. Local address is this Mikrotik IP address and remote is clients. By leaving everything as a default, you will not have a problem. Now at this time again create a source net, but this time I will translate package that have a 12.0.0/8 as a source network. Action masquerade. Okay, let me check the settings again. Come back to client PC. By default, as you can see, this PC is connected to local network but does not have any internet access. Set up VPN connection on Windows. Server name is my Mikrotik interface IP address. VPN type point-to-point protocol. Before connecting VPN, as you can see again, I don't have internet access. Connect. As you can see, after connect to VPN server, I have internet connection on my client PC. Let me check from web. Okay, that's work. I hope this video was useful for you to set up your network by Mikrotik devices, and also secure your clients by providing a internet access just for VPN users. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch other videos. And also don't forget to like and ask a question in the comments. Have a good day. Bye bye.